Hello my spice lovers, welcome to our new midweek Spice Tales series. Each week we'll pick a different spice to talk about, not one of the Spice Girls, a bit about its history, where it's from, how to cook with it, stuff like that. This week we're kicking off with Garam Masala, so a mix of spices. So what is Garam Masala? Literally translated in English, Garam means hot, Masala, a mix of spices, so a hot spice mix, but not in the chili sense. It's more aromatic and the warmth and depth of flavour it brings. No surprises, Garam Masala is a staple in Indian cuisine, used in curries, marinades, even some desserts. So why not give it a go? Give it a sprinkle in your pasta sauce or in a marinade that you're throwing together. Just give it a go, trust me. Carrying on the family tradition, we follow our late grandmother's original homemade authentic recipe. Our unique Garam Masala is made up of 11 different spices. Some are on the board down here. Check out our website. It's not a secret and you find out what they all are there. Couple of quick tips to leave you with. Store your Garam Masala in a plastic bag like this in your freezer. It will last and stay fresher longer. Also, when you add it to curries, add it at the end of cooking so it doesn't burn off all the flavour of the Garam Masala. It makes a big difference to your curries. Also, go to our website and if you subscribe to our Spiced Up newsletter, get 10% off your first purchase too. May the spice be with you.